It is about 5:20. Today I have a 2-day trip. Today's kind of a long day, 3 flights. And then tomorrow is nice because it's only 1. And then I have a short layover in Chicago, so I'm probably not going to be up to too much, but I figured I would take you guys with me anyway. So yeah, I'm just about to get ready for the day. I have a little bit less than an hour before I need to leave the house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like wipe off my face. I don't like wash it in the morning because I find that like it makes my skin a little bit dry, and my skin tends to be, or like before I started this job, my skin tended to be like a little bit on the oily side. But now, since I spend so much more time in airplanes and hotels and airports, and the air in there is always dry, my skin has gotten a lot drier than it was before. So in the morning I just kind of wipe it with micellar water, and then I do like tons of moisturizers and stuff, and it's been working out really well for me. I've been liking that a lot. But I'm just going to do that, finish packing up my cooler. My food's already ready and everything. I just have to put everything in there, and then change, get dressed, head out. Oh, and have breakfast. That's important. The best thing that I honestly ever started doing is meal prepping scrambled eggs. I like to eat scrambled eggs in the morning. They are pretty quick, they're easy, they're filling, high in protein, all of that. So they're good, and then I usually mix it with veggies. But I realized very quickly that like cutting up veggies and like actually like whipping eggs and everything in the morning takes a lot of time that I don't usually give myself, especially on days like today when I have to be out of the door by 6:15. Like I'm just not getting up that early. So I started meal prepping scrambled eggs like this just when I meal prep my lunches and dinners and everything for work. And I'll just do eggs, like 2 eggs typically, and then whatever veggies I have in the fridge. Today is just red and green bell peppers. Usually I like to add spinach as well, but I didn't have any because I didn't go to the grocery store. So I'm just kind of using up leftovers with this meal prep, and then when I get back from this trip, I get back pretty early in the day, so I'll probably go grocery shopping tomorrow when I get back. But yeah, so I just have some olive oil spray in the pan that's warming up, and then my eggs. So I'm almost ready. I have about 10 minutes before I have to be out of the door, so I'm probably going to leave a couple minutes early because I'm basically ready and I'm all dressed and everything. I just have to put on my shoes and my scarf and call it a day. But I like to keep it really simple with makeup for work just because I don't want to touch it up, especially on a day like today when I have 3 flights. So I just have like powder, like not even foundation, like literally just powder and a little bit of eyeshadow and eyeliner. And that's it. Nothing fancy. I'm probably going to do a red lip, which is why I don't have it on yet, because when I get to the airport I'm probably going to grab just like a cup of tea or something, and I don't like to, if I'm going to do a red lip, I don't like to actually put it on until we're like ready to go, just because I don't like it when it gets all like smeary, and I don't want, and again, I don't want to touch it up. So if I do a nude lip, I'll typically do it before I leave. I might throw on like a nude gloss, but I'm going to do a red lip today. And yeah, so that is that. But I'm about to head out, and I will see you guys in the airport.
Oops.
Snack time. I got frosted flakes.
Yes, take it up a notch, darling.
And a vanilla soy latte from Wacalam, and it is bomb. And I'm sitting like this because my feet hurt. Airports are so fun. They have like a whole little thing where you can like play slots.
What'd you say?
I'm talking to
Oh, okay.
this. It's fine.
I was like, couldn't tell if you were.
Not today. So we had somewhat of a delay. There was a lot of thunderstorms in the Chicago area, so we had to wait in Philly in order to get to Chicago. So it's just about 7 o'clock local time. So we didn't get in too much later than we were originally scheduled to, which is awesome because we did 3 flights today and I'm a little bit tired, but this room is really big, which is awesome. I love a big room. It has 2 beds, which I also love. So I'll show you guys. We have a nice closet over here. And then over here we have a microwave and a fridge, which is awesome. Does the fridge have a freezer? No, no freezer. But we do have a microwave, which is exciting, and it's clean. That's amazing. Because, yeah, it's just always nice to have a microwave. Like, I have my little mini oven, but it's late. And then we have the bathroom. Nothing too particularly exciting, but we have the bathroom, lots of towels. And then you continue. We have a nice full-length mirror, 2 beds, TV, some drawer space, lots of cool stuff, nice air conditioner, big armchair, and let's see if I have a view. It's not bad. It's not really of anything, but sometimes that's nice. Like, you can kind of see the airport, like, over there. That's, like, the airport tower. But yeah. Oh, dang it. These glass doors have been locked. That's disappointing because I kind of wanted to step outside and get a little bit of fresh air. But anyway, it's kind of hot here. Yeah, it's 6:45 local time. I was gonna work out, but honestly, I'm exhausted and I really don't feel like it. So, we only have 1 flight tomorrow and I'll be back in Philly pretty early, so I think I'll just make up for it tomorrow. Because right now I'm going to heat up my food in that microwave right there, and I'm going to watch Netflix and possibly FaceTime with my boyfriend because I'm just really, really tired. Like, I can't anymore. I also feel a little weird because I had coffee, and like sometimes I drink coffee, not that often. It was very good, but I feel like it was a little bit strong for me. So I'm like feeling a little blah because I feel like it was just a little bit too strong. But yeah, so that's that. I'm going to take a shower, get my life together, eat my food, and call it a day. I'm just so tired of wearing tights. Like, the tights I have on today, I literally just bought. This is the first time that I'm wearing them. And I liked them because they feel nice, they feel comfortable, they have a nice little bit of sheen to them, which I enjoy. But let me remind you, this is the first time that I am wearing them. I just took them out of the box. And this is what we have. So, we have this little fella, nice little hole right here. We have all these little, like marks where it got snagged on something, but like I don't even know what happened. And like some more here, some more down here, another one here. And then the real kicker is there's a hole in the toe already. Like, I don't understand why companies can't make stockings any better and any stronger, because I didn't do anything really today. Like, I'm tired, my feet really hurt because I kind of did a lot of walking, but why? Tights companies, please do better. Also, please make better nudes, but we're getting there. But please just make them stronger. I am tired of stockings being expensive and having to buy them over and over, and then they break. The real life of a flight attendant. My goodness. So maybe I'm bugging, but I don't like it when hotels have these like big things. I prefer when they have the minis. And granted, like, I know the minis like are wasteful, like it takes up a lot of plastic, but I don't know, it just seems like if somebody really wanted to, like, these just pop open, you know what I mean? Like, and it's like looks already kind of questionable inside. Like, I don't know, like they just pop open. Or maybe this one's just broken, but still, like, this one's just broken, the other two don't. Nope, this one does it too. They all just pop right open, and it just seems like that's not good. Like, somebody could tamper with it. I don't know. What if somebody put, like, Nair in the shampoo, right? Like, am I the only one? Only? Maybe? I don't know. I don't like it. So this is my dinner tonight. It's just rice noodles with tofu and bell peppers. And I seasoned it with soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, ginger, black pepper, and then I added a little more soy sauce just before I popped it in the microwave so that it didn't get really dry. But yeah, I literally make this all the time. It's really good, really quick to make. Good morning. It is about 5:15. I have to be downstairs by 6, so I gave myself plenty of time to get dressed and everything. But yeah, just one flight today. It's not even a long flight, so just one flight today, and it's not a long one, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'll be back home really early and everything, which is always nice. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready. I've been trying this new thing where in the morning I'm just using micellar water on my face instead of actually like washing it. And I think it's been going pretty well so far. I don't know. I mean, I still obviously have like scarring and everything, but I don't really have breakouts, and my skin has been feeling like really soft and everything, so I might be onto something with this micellar water. This stuff is my new favorite foundation of life. This is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I have it in the shade 21Y. It's a really good match for my skin tone, and on the website they said in Canada, I believe, or Europe, maybe both, they have SPF 15, and the formula doesn't change, but for whatever reason they can't label it that way here in the United States, so that's nice too. But yeah, it's just a really good lightweight foundation, and it's only like $7, so shout out to The Ordinary. So I'm back on the plane. The shuttle was running late. I think that's at the hotel. Home. I'm done with that trip. It was so fun. Today was just one leg, but the thing that, like, it was a little crazy, and the Chicago airport is pretty, so I'm sad I couldn't get like a little bit of footage. We have this really cool hallway with like this big globe that like lights up, and there's flags and stuff. It's really pretty. But the hotel shuttle dropped us off at the airport, just like without very much time to spare. Like, it was running late or whatever, I don't know. So we just didn't have that much time, and we were really rushing to get to the gate and everything and get on the plane and get everything ready before passengers boarded. So I really did not have any time to film anything. That's why there's like that weird little clip from before. I thought we had a few more minutes than we did, and I look up and I see that we had just started boarding, so I had to put everything away. But it was a really good flight. I had such great passengers, and one passenger in particular gave me like a little compliment note, just kind of thanking me for being so pleasant when I like greeted him when he got on the plane, which was nice because I always try to just be pleasant and like smile and, you know, just make people happy when they get on the plane, chat with them a little bit, that kind of thing. So, you know, that's my job, that's what I do kind of regardless, but it is really nice when people kind of notice and then go ahead and give a little compliment for it. So that was really nice, but I'm really hungry because I did not have time to eat like anything today. I had like a handful of blackberries on the plane and like some juice. Like, I am famished, so I'm just about to finish up some of my water and then heat up my lentils and rice that I was going to eat for lunch yesterday, and then just eat that. And I probably have some mail, so check that. Put away my laundry because I didn't get to do that before I left for this trip. But yeah, like, it was just a really, really good trip. I had a good crew, we had a good time, and yeah, it's always nice. Like, I feel relaxed. I'm tired because I'm like hungry and I woke up really early, but I feel like really good after this trip and everything. So it was really fun. But that's it for this vlog, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!